Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal finance blog with NerdWallet. Quick tutorial. To start a personal finance blog with NerdWallet, first, choose a niche within personal finance that interests you. Research common topics in that niche to identify what resonates with potential readers. Next, create a domain name that reflects your blog's focus and is easy to remember. Register the domain through a reputable hosting service. Once your domain is set up, select a blogging platform, such as WordPress, for user-friendly publishing. Install your chosen platform on your hosting account. Choose a clean and professional theme that highlights your content and enhances user experience. Customize the theme by adding your branding elements, like logos and color schemes. Create essential pages, including an About page, to tell readers who you are and what your blog represents. Start drafting your first few posts, focusing on helpful, informative content that addresses common finance questions. Incorporate high-quality images and infographics to make your posts visually appealing. Use proper SEO practices by researching keywords and including them in your titles and headings. Promote your blog through social media platforms to extend your reach and engage with your audience. Consider joining affiliate programs, such as those offered by NerdWallet, to monetize your content. Regularly update your blog with fresh content to keep readers coming back. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and emails. Monitor your blog's performance using analytics tools to understand what works and where you can adjust your strategies based on feedback and insights to grow your audience over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.